In this video, we'll see how we can use Mathematica as a calculator. So just like a normal calculator, Mathematica can add, subtract, multiply, and divide. So, for instance, 3 plus 4. So we know that should be 7. In order to execute a command in Mathematica, we have to hold down the Shift key, and while we're doing that, we press the Enter key. So Shift, Enter, and we get 7. Okay, and then subtract 4 minus 3. Let's see. 16 divided by 2 for division. Scroll down. Then for multiplication, 5 times 3. So for multiplication, we use this symbol, the star, asterisk, whatever you want to call it. It's above the 8. You hold down Shift and press the 8 key for the asterisk. We use that for multiplication. Okay. So another thing you can do in Mathematica, you can put multiple commands in one input. So for example, multiples of 8, 1 times 8, you press Enter without the Shift and it just goes down to the next line. 2 times 8, 3 times 8, 4 times 8. Okay, Shift Enter, and Mathematica gives us 4 outputs for our 4 inputs. So we get 8, 16, 24, 32. So let's go back to division. For instance, let's say we wanted to know what 8 divided by 3 was. Shift Enter, and Mathematica, its output is just the fraction 8 divided by 3. But if we want the decimal, there are a couple of different ways we can do this in Mathematica. The first way is to do 8.0 divided by 3, and that gives us the numerical value. So you just have to put in a decimal in one of these two numbers. You could have also done 8 divided by 3.0 as well. Another way you can get the numerical value is capital N. That's a command in Mathematica. Bracket 8 divided by 3. And another thing you can do, so if you typed in the command, executed it, you have 8 divided by 3. Another thing you can do capital N, bracket, percentage sign. And this command is telling Mathematica, okay, I want the numerical value of my last output. That's what the percentage sign means. Shift Enter, and we get the numerical value. Okay, so let's scroll back up. So what if we made a mistake and we didn't mean to type in 8 divided by 3? We meant to type in 8 divided by 4. We can fix this easily. All we do is just click on the line. We can change it easily. Shift Enter, and we see that the output changes to 2. So yeah, you can do this here. You can just change as needed, so on. Okay. Let's see, so like a calculator, Mathematica also uses the order of operations. while doing arithmetic. So for instance, what if we had 8 divided by 4 plus 3? And we know that the order of operations says that we must divide before we add. So our answer should be 5. And it is. So what if we wanted 8 divided by the quantity of 4 plus 3? And just like a calculator, we have to put parentheses around 4 plus 3. So this should be 8 over 7. And it is, and once again, if we want the numerical value for 8 divided by 7, we just have to add in a decimal or use the end command. But for this case, I'm just going to put in a decimal. And we get the numerical value of 8 divided by the quantity of 4 plus 3.